The current reality of isolation, social distancing, uncertainty, and inconvenience that the COVID-19 pandemic has brought into our daily lives has crippled a lot of activities within the showbiz world, just like in many other industries. Revenues have taken a dip and creatives have been lamenting. At the moment, many fingers are pointing at copyright management organizations asking for royalties. So, on the spotlight today is Mayo Ayilare, the man of the helm of the affairs at the Music Copyright Society of Nigeria, to help us better understand what is going on at the moment.
Many creatives at this time look towards the Copyright Management Organization for succor as their revenues take a dip owing to the COVID-19 pandemic. The current CMO representing music and sound recording in the country are also turning to right users for remittance.
Those who are consuming these products of the intellect, those who play music, those who show films, those who broadcast them, the hotels who plays it and entertain their customer with it, how many of them are paying copyrights? Not many. We have stations in this country that plays music 24 hours a day, stations that broadcast music videos, that show films, and they are the ones that are even not responding. So we are coming after them.
In recent times, royalty payment has improved, although many grounds are still uncovered. With more education, more content creators have been demanding royalties. While generally the artists get all the attention during delivery, back-end contributors can take prominence when it comes to royalty sharing if they have taken steps to protect their rights during the creative process.
The producer may come in at that level to say, hey, no, why don't you remove this line and put this line, or sing it this way, or raise up. So technically, he has become part of the team, maybe as an arranger and as a producer. So whatever arrangement is between them along the line will determine what they get. It's also built into it, and it gets a cut. Then we now move to the stage of the sound recording issue, because the record producer or whoever you may call it now will bring it in his machine to do the original. If it is also pay for hire or whatever, and they have paid him and settled him, he has no share in it. But where he is part of saying, we want to market, we want to distribute together, I want to ensure that this thing gets to the largest audience, he also becomes a shareholder in the product, in the sound recording rights in the music.
Many artists generally assume an automatic protection of their copyrights are in place. The experts say they most times create the bottlenecks for remittance by not duly registering their works.
It's a challenge to us, because when we get inquiries, particularly from outside the country, they will only say that we know that this work comes from your territory. Please, can you supply us with the details of ownership and so on and so forth? Then we now start to, once we run our own computer system or our own databases and we do not find such works, then we are in a dilemma. And when they can't get those facts or those details, then they keep the money in their vaults. After 2 or 3 years, when nobody comes to claim the money, they share it for their own, to their own authors and composers, to their own members.
With the Nigerian Afrobeat sound generating a lot of international attention, many artists and music entrepreneurs are now looking to exploit opportunities in the country. The current state of the copyright management, however, portrays a system that is not ready for business.
Yes, I have loads and loads of requests. When are we expecting to receive royalties for this work performed in your territory? In some cases, they will even quote the television station or the radio station where such work were broadcast. But we always tell them that, look, these are the confusion that are on ground. It has really affected the image of the industry, because many of them will say, well, Nigeria is only noise and loud, but no income. So I